What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata, and D. Chennai. And the answer is B. Delhi. Which is the longest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Narmada, and D. Godavari. And the correct answer is A. Ganga. The Taj Mahal located where is? A. Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Agra, and D. Lucknow. And the correct answer is C. Agra. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Maharashtra, B. Rajasthan, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Which ocean is to the south of India? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, and D. Arctic Ocean. And the answer is B. Indian Ocean. Which mountain range is in the north of India? A. Western Ghat, B. Eastern Ghat, C. Himalayas, and D. Aravalli. And the answer is C. Himalayas. What is the southernmost tip of India called? A. Goa, B. Kanyakumari, C. Kerala, and D. Tamil Nadu. And the correct answer is B. Kanyakumari. Which Indian state is famous for tea gardens? A. Punjab, B. Kerala, C. Assam, and D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is C. Assam. Which desert is located in India? A. Sahara Desert, B. Gobi Desert, C. Thar Desert, and D. Kalahari Desert. And the correct answer is C. Thar Desert. Group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. A. Lakshadweep, B. Andaman and Nicobar, C. Maldives, and D. Sri Lanka. And the answer is B. Andaman and Nicobar. State called Land of Five Rivers. A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, and D. Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is B. Punjab. State with longest coastline. A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is C. Gujarat. Pink city of India. A. Jaipur, B. Jodhpur, C. Udaipur, and D. Bikaner. And the correct answer is A. Jaipur. Holiest river in India. A. Yamuna, B. Narmada, C. Ganga, and D. Godavari. And the correct answer is C. Ganga. Highest mountain peak in India. A. Mount Everest, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Nanda Devi, and D. K2. And the correct answer is B. Kanchenjunga. State known for backwaters. A. Goa, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, and D. Tamil Nadu. And the answer is B. Kerala. Where is India Gate? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Delhi, and D. Chennai. And the correct answer is C. Delhi. Spice Garden of India. A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, and D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is A. Kerala. Silicon Valley of India. A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Pune, and D. Chennai. And the correct answer is B. Bengaluru. Way of Bengal is in which direction? A. North, B. West, C. East, and D. South. And the correct answer is C. East. Well done, champs. Keep learning.